Right, so we're going to have a go at bending up some tube to give me a 45 degree to finish off my wing top. Take the slack up on the bender. Set the guide on the degree scale, which is down here. Let's set that to 0. Just make sure the nut's nipped up. And then we're going to bend the tube. Yeah, so we're about right. So Richie, what have you been up to? Hey everybody, so bit of a busy couple of days. The jobs have been on today. I have installed up here, as Sam's going to show you now, the top section of the roll cage.
That's a nice bit of welding.
I've also, if we go around the other side, I decided that it was a bad idea to leave the bulkhead flat. When I sat in the vehicle, my feet were very vertical and I was a bit worried that if I hit a tree stump or something like that, I'd probably break the ankles of the co-driver. So being the nice guy I am, I thought it's probably a good idea not to break my co-driver's ankles. Yeah, so I've made up the pedal box. I basically cut the top of the box as it shows in the video, folded it out and welded in some sections, and that's all in there nice.
It's solid.
I've closed up the ends of the box section outriggers. I've done a few little jobs in the tunnel, just finishing off some of the welding, got some of the other welding finished off, started cleaning up. Sam's been cleaning up on the chassis and making it nice and shiny, ready for some paint. I've got a giggle pin winch tray. It's a lovely piece of laser cut engineering. It will need welding together when it's on the vehicle. What I have done is I've mounted it so that when I put the bolt for the steering box back through the hole, and I've done it again, got it stuck, but it goes through nice there. I can place the nut on the inside. I'll also put a bolt through from this side. I'm going to drill a hole through there so that we've got a bolted connection to the vehicle, but it will also be welded in all these circles. They're all going to have welds in them, just to make sure this is going nowhere, because obviously the vehicle could be hanging off it quite carelessly or carefully, whichever way we decide to do it. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and get this last hole drilled, and then I'm going to go work. So good night.